guys, this is Connie Garrett, President of C. Garrett Group, powered by Your Home Sold Guaranteed. I'm out here in front of the new builds that we have been documenting, and they are putting on HardiePlank and brick. And I want to just show you, this is the one I think is 3 levels, and I'm going to show you how they're just multiplying out here.
We have 5 beautiful floor plans to choose from, and I'm definitely pre-selling these right now. If you're tired of the multiple offer situation with pre-existing homes, let's go and get you a brand new build and get it pre-sold for you. Give me a call, 678-438-2330. Again, the number is 678-438-2330. And this is Connie Garrett of C. Garrett Group. Thank you so much. Go serve big.